Today we have a lot of questions about Cassia. So let's get into what Cassia questions that you have that you've been posting to this series that we have every week called Ask Henna Sooq. And my name is Khadija. Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. I am an expert in henna, natural hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and beautiful henna and jago body arts. If you have a question, remember you can put it in the comment below. If that question is pressing and you need an answer right now, just go to our website. There is a live chat feature where you can reach one of our hair care experts and get your question answered right then on the spot. So let's see what we got here. All right, we got Curls by Nat asks, she says, I have a question about Cassia. The package says it will loosen the curl pattern. Is that true? Yes. Whatever we put on the package, I actually vet all the packages, double check them as a team. We look over everything and we decide on the content that we put on the packages. And yes, they are not like made up things on those packages. And actually we're updating them again because we're redesigning a lot of these packages and they're gonna be so beautiful. But definitely, yes, Cassia can loosen the curl pattern to the degree that it does vary a little bit person to person. So you'll just have to see how that affects, your hair. All right, next question is by Christina Latina. Says, can Cassia make hair lose indigo color? So I usually apply a dark brown in a second step after pure henna with amla, and my hair was quite dark. And then yesterday I did an application of Cassia, about 2 hours of exposure to add like a golden reflection. So today it looks a bit more reddish, as if the indigo had gone and the henna that I have as a base is more visible. So that's a great question. So sounds like you're using a blend in general that you use henna and a dark brown. So I'm not really sure if the Cassia could have removed it. Usually that doesn't happen, but I would trying to see like how much time apart from each other that you did those. It really does depend. Cassia on quite dark hair, honestly, it's not really gonna give you any golden like reflections like that. Your hair is too dark. Anyone with dark hair, Cassia is not really gonna show up. Grays, yes, and then blondes, yes. So it may have caused it to fade. I'm not sure. I just need more information to really feel like I can answer that question like fully. Yeah, it just sounds like, I don't know, like it wasn't clinging well enough or there wasn't enough indigo in the recipe. I'm not sure because it sounds like you used a blend. So I just need more information when it comes to that particular question. But it's possible another treatment could cause it to come out depending on what was in the Cassia, many variables. I have like more questions basically for you. So if you see this, reply, send me some more information and I would love to get, those answers to you. Tina Moni says, I'm not trying to color my hair. Question, can you add some henna, like a tablespoon, to your Ayurvedic nourishing treatments, conditioners, or shampoo hair regimens? So yes, you could add about a tablespoon of henna. The thing is, it may still leave like a slight tint. If it's a very small amount, you're probably really suppressing it, but you'll have to see how that comes out. I don't know what your natural hair color is. I need more information on that to really say if it could. It probably wouldn't, but if you really want to use henna, and anyone listening to me right now, if you want to use henna and you don't want color from henna, but you want the benefits, then just use our hair teas. We have a Moroccan hair tea and we have an Ayurvedic hair tea that actually do have henna in it, but the way that we recommend you use it just enables you to get the benefits from it because you're doing a spritz, you're doing a hair growth oil, and we have tons of videos on using the hair teas that you have to watch and you definitely have to try. And if you want to do it as a rinse, oh, that's perfect. You got to use the hair teas and they smell so amazing. Right, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any of videos because I have some great things coming out and you guys are not going to want to miss out on this. So I will see you next time.